Good morning, guys, now and girls. Today, I just wanted to talk to you about something that I read on Facebook yesterday and what HBA have done. Now, it's absolutely incredible with what they've done with making everything on the HBA app, and they built new opt-in pages, new website pages, and it just keeps growing. But the one thing that I read last night from Paul Hutchings was he's basically put together a done for you opt-in page, done for you emails, and given away his book, which is all into the back office of HBA as well. But the only thing that you have to do now, I mean, there's literally nothing out there that's stopping you. And the only thing that you have to do now is just send traffic to the opt-in page. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share with you exactly. Right. Okay. So you can see that I'm sharing my screen here. So this was the message I saw last night that popped up. Okay. So here. So just finished building something I wish existed when he started. A residual income system that ready the second you join. No tech, no setup, no learning curve, no figuring out yourself. Here's what you get for instant access to. So a direct response capture page designed to convert leads. My brand new book, Residual Income Shortcuts. I wrote every word. A full email follow-up series that does the heavy lifting for you, written by himself. Okay, so this is a 7-figure earner. Okay, everything is live and working at the moment. You're in, zero setup required. Your affiliate link is already embedded in the ebook, and every follow-up email when people read his story, see my results, and decide to join, you get the commissions. You're essentially leveraging decades of his experience, his credibility, and his words to build your residual income. Okay, and that's 80% of every dollar comes back to you. The math actually works. Want to peek behind the curtains? You visit this. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. This is the amazing opt-in page that he created. This is incredible. This is just like, it stands out. It says everything. It doesn't need like too much writing on there to confuse people. It's guiding them exactly where to go to put their name and email in there to get instant access. Okay, and it's saying that 80% commissions, 5-minute setup time, like 10 years track record. In the back office of the Home Business Academy as well, you'll find your link. So your affiliate. So you click on the affiliate here, and it tells you here your turnkey system is ready. Skip the text, skip the setup. Your capture page is live. You just add traffic. So if I copy that, so I can put in here Facebook or YouTube, and it will put that after this, so you can track where the traffic's coming from. This is my affiliate, exactly the same page. Where does this lead? This leads straight to, let me just go to affiliate links. Okay, so this is his book that he's given you as well. So this takes you to the book, but it takes you to, and it resonates this. Okay, it resonates with all of this. So they've rebuilt the website. I'm going to stop sharing now. So as you can see, they put everything together. So there's literally nothing from stopping you from coming on board and setting up your very own online business and start affiliate marketing straight away. You can start earning money, and all you've got to do is by sending traffic to the actual opt-in page. Then you can see all your people in the back office of Home Business Academy. That's all I've got to say. I mean, this business keeps getting better and better, and they're trying to take away the blocks that people are struggling with. And what they've done is something truly amazing. So if you are interested in setting up your very own online business and you want to try something that is got the reputation that gives you 80% commissions, okay, so for every dollar that comes in, you get 80% of, that's coming back to you. So if you are interested, then I suggest that you just click on that link down below. Go and read the book, read the website. If it resonates with you and you want to set up something great for yourself, because I tell you now, nobody is going to help you in this world apart from yourself. So you've got to take the action. It's you that's got to take the action, and you've got to make that decision now to be able to say, stop, I'm going to build something for myself here, and I'm going to start making my own way, because you're working for somebody else, and something can happen, and then you can lose your job. It's great to have a side hustle, and it's great when that side hustle starts to take over the money that you're bringing in. You don't have to go out and try and make 10K a month, because that's going to take time to do that. But if you can start replacing, your money, some of your money that you get, if you can pay for a bill, for instance, say for instance you've hired a car, or you bought a car on finance, as long as you can cover that cost with the money that you're making on the side hustle, that's going to be possible. Then after that, you're thinking that you want to pay for your gas and electric bill, then aim for that amount as well. You don't have to go, I want to earn 10K a month, because things like that, you need to build up to that level. So start small. It's not going to cost you a lot. You can come and join. It's $35, and you can join. You can get all of this, okay? And it can start building your system up for you. So I suggest that you just go ahead and take a look for yourself, and I'll see you soon.